Welcome back to another video, guys. It's your boy Aaron over at Valve Performance, and today we are working on the all-motor K Coupe. We have tons of goodies that we ordered from Blox Racing. Today we're only going to be doing the accessories and a couple sensors. We're not going to be doing the full works, but we are going to talk about the full works and about the future plans for the car and exactly what we're going to be doing before the end of this season, and a couple of things we're going to try to change before the end of this season in order to make it for Honda Day. One of the things I'm most excited about is finally to replace this OEM plastic cap. Here we have a beautiful polished billet aluminum cap from Blox Racing. They have these available in multiple different colors, and these are direct application to our K series engines. Let's go ahead and install this bad boy right now. Now, one of the second parts that we're going to upgrade on the Coupe to kind of spice up our engine a little bit one of these days is one of the products I didn't even know Blox Racing offered is a TPS sensor made by Blox Racing themselves with a billet aluminum cover. Now this billet aluminum cover is going to be a direct fit straight onto our throttle body we have now. We're just going to remove the old sensor and put this one in. This one they supply you with the brand new TPS gasket, which you'll see once we take it out, and two brand new Allen head torque screws that are a little bit more extended to fit that billet aluminum housing. Let's go ahead and take this one out right now, and we'll remove this one out the bag and start installing it. You are going to place your gasket on like so. Make sure it's nice and fit it on there. Just gotta line your sensor up with the throttle body, and there you go. And you should just have to adjust as you go on. Like I said, that concludes pretty much most of this video. We were just planning on installing a couple Blox Racing goodies, just a couple accessories, just to spice it up that engine bay a little bit. It does make a little bit of a huge difference compared to all those stock parts with all the plastics and everything. I'm not a big fan of just the matte plastic all scratched up and everything. That oil cap definitely had to go, and that TPS sensor definitely had to go. That new billet one looked absolutely amazing in there. Now, as for future plans, we are planning on utilizing most of the Blox Racing product series line. We are going to be installing the adjustable camber arms, the adjustable toe arms, these hardened rear trailing arm cushions. We are still waiting on those. We have to order those still. We're waiting on a couple more things so we can drop that whole trailing arm, and we're going to redo that entire trailing arm in the rear to have everything brand new, everything up to date, everything, make sure everything's adjustable in the rear so that we can fine tune our alignment when going down the track. Secondly, we have a Blox Racing vacuum block, which we're going to use when we finally install our K24 Big Series side manifold, or when we go direct port and nitrous, which will be later this year, if not at the end of the season. Before the season ends, we are going direct port nitrous with the all-motor Coupe. We're going to see what it handles. We're going to throw a nice big 100 shot at it, and hopefully it complies. Secondly, we have CTR front end links from Blox Racing as well. We're going to be upgrading the clutch line as well as the clutch master cylinder and the clutch slave cylinder. We are going to be upgrading everything to the Blox Racing series line. There's going to be a couple more things to this. We are going to be making a huge announcement. Don't forget to follow our Instagram because there's lots of live updates, especially about our recent car show that we are actually coming up in 3 weeks. Our car show coming up in 3 weeks. If you guys aren't in tune with it, make sure you guys hop on Instagram, follow us, and hit the notifications updates so you guys can be in tune for when our car meet is and for all the products we are going to have there. We have a lot of special surprises for you guys. Make sure you guys follow us and stay up to date with it. We'll see you guys soon on the next one. Thank you again for watching.